In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invoice your customers using Xero. Whether you're new to Xero or just looking for a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to issue those all-important invoices with ease. Let's get started by opening up your Xero account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll notice a plus icon. This is your gateway to creating a variety of financial documents, including invoices. Give it a click, and a menu will appear, presenting you with several options. From this menu, we want to choose the Invoice option. Selecting this will lead you to the invoice creation page. With the invoice page open, you'll see several fields where you need to input the details of the invoice. This part is crucial because accurate information ensures your invoice is both professional and compliant. First, start by entering the recipient's name or choosing it from a drop-down list if they are already a part of your contacts. Next, fill in the issue date, which is automatically set to today's date but can be adjusted if needed. Then, specify the due date according to your payment terms. Make your way down to the item details section, where you will describe the goods or services rendered. Remember to be clear and precise in your descriptions. It's also essential to check that you are applying the right quantity and setting the correct price for each line item. This will help avoid any potential confusion and errors. Once all the invoice details are in place, take a moment to review everything to ensure correctness. Double-check the total amount, any applicable taxes, and that all other specifics align with your initial agreement with the customer. After you're satisfied that all information is accurate, it's time to take the next step. Look for the Approve and Email option that sits on the invoice interface. Clicking on this will transition your invoice from draft status to ready to send. At this point, Xero will prompt you to enter the recipient's email. Make sure to input the correct email address to guarantee the invoice reaches your customer without any hitches. This is also an opportunity to include a personalized message, thanking your customer or providing any additional information they might need. And that's all there is to it. You have successfully created and sent an invoice using Xero. This seamless process not only aids in managing your sales, but also upholds a professional relationship with your customers by ensuring timely and accurate communications. Following these steps will make your invoicing process efficient, leaving you more time to focus on what truly matters, growing your business. Thank you for watching, and happy invoicing.